Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies have made 2 changes to their squad for the third T20 international against England in St. Lucia, with one of the changes forced through injury. As you will hear in this report from Garfield Jones, there is no room for error as the hosts trail 2-0 in the 5-match series.
Jamaican all-rounder Andre Russell will miss the rest of the T20 international series against England through injury, as West Indies make 2 changes ahead of the third game on Thursday at the Darren Sammy Stadium in St. Lucia. Russell, who played in the first T20 in Barbados on Saturday, smashed 30 of just 17 balls while going wicketless in his 2 overs before he was forced to miss the second game through injury. Despite the absence of the explosive Jamaican, the Windies, who are down 2-0, need a win to keep the series alive and will have to come with their A game to stop a confident England team when they meet on Thursday. But while the Windies have lost out on the experience of Russell, the team will be bolstered by the return of ace fast bowler Alzarri Joseph. Windies head coach Darren Sammy spoke of the changes that were made to the squad.
It's always a blow, to replace somebody like Andre Russell. Very experienced. He brings 2 assets, bowling and batting, and also with his fielding. So it's always hard to replace him. We have young Shamar Springer, who made his debut in Sri Lanka, to replace him. Exciting young prospect. Shamar going and get ready for the Test series, and obviously Alzarri Joseph is back from his suspension, and we're looking forward to welcoming him and the experience he brings in the squad.
Sammy, while admitting that his team has been outplayed so far in the series, is confident that they can bounce back on Thursday.
Yes, England have played better cricket than us in the first 2 games, but I've rallied St. Lucia to come out and be an extra 12th man that we need here. And the guys, we've just not played the brand of cricket that has allowed us to win. And it's something we're going to address, but we have the manpower within that dressing room to win on Thursday and take it one game at a time.
The full squad reads Captain Rovman Powell, Roston Chase, Matthew Ford, Shimron Hetma, Terence Hines, Shea Hope, Akil Hussain, Alzarri Joseph, Brandon King, Evan Lewis, Gudakesh Moti, Nicholas Puran, Sherfain Rutherford, Romario Shepherd, and Shamar Springer. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.